Hey, what is up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Nordic American Tankers, ticker symbol NAT. So if you're not familiar with NAT, this stock has become really popular here recently, and the business of NAT is involved in transporting oil all over the world. So with the current situation that is going on with the world right now, with so many people in lockdown, it has caused the demand for oil to be much less, which then creates a problem with oil storage. And with there being a problem with oil storage, NAT's fleet of oil tankers is now basically a fleet of oil storage. And the good thing for NAT is they're charging a very heavy price per day to store all this oil. And because of all this extra money they're making because of the storage problem, NAT was able to double the size of their dividend from paying out 7 cents for the first quarter to now paying out 14 cents for the second quarter. And given the price of NAT stock, their dividend is yielding around 10% right now. And given all the good news with NAT, their stock is still very volatile, with it being down around 12% over this last week. And all this volatility in NAT has some shareholders scratching their head trying to figure out what's wrong, because it's not like any of these companies that are paying NAT to store the oil are going to default. That is because NAT's customers are Exxon, Chevron, British Petroleum, and Shell, companies that can really afford to pay these really high prices. And we're seeing the same trend in the stock with other tanker stocks like DHT and Scorpion. But here's the problem with buying these tanker stocks, as they're definitely going to be reporting some really good revenues, and they're going to pay out some nice dividends. But as more and more places start opening up, then these companies like NAT are not going to be able to charge such a high fee to store the oil. So as the lockdowns end in areas, and it's great for a lot of companies and it's great for oil stocks in general, it's not good for these tankers, as they're just going to be charging less, and that's just a sign that, hey, in the future, the revenues are going to be going down. And with the revenues going down as lockdowns ease, this company has promised to pay down a pretty hefty dividend. And where does that dividend come from? It comes from the price of the stock. So my opinion of NAT stock and these other oil tanker stocks is that there might be some gains to be made holding it for the short term, but anything longer than that, I think, in my opinion, is a little bit too risky. So since I'm already tapped out on risk with my purchase of USO stock, what I'm going to do with NAT is I'm going to simulate a purchase of it on my paper trading portfolio, and then after the earnings report, I'm going to simulate a sell of it. So anyways, everybody, I'd like to know your opinion of NAT stock as well as these other oil tanker stocks, and are there any of them that you're invested into? So as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon. Hey, real quick, if you guys need to build a website, check out my affiliate, hostm1.com. And you can find me on Instagram at micro_investor.